Hi, I'm Vivi, Head of Software Sales for LA Photo Party. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the green screen settings for multiple images at once. Let's say you are doing a green screen with 45 frame burst mode GIF, and you have to adjust the placement of your guest. That means you're going to have to adjust them in every single frame of your GIF, right? Not anymore. You can right-click a green screen thumbnail in its folder in Photo Booth Upload and click Select All. You'll change the position, scale and rotation of every frame in that folder, so you only need to set one. It's just like magic. Or, if you don't want to have to set it to all of the images, you can also use the copy-paste settings to apply the settings to just a couple of frames, rather than all the frames in that folder. It's just that easy. Think of all the time you'll save, time you can spend on actual magic. Cheers to a great event.